Meaning of furry.
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 Furry. The term furry refers to a subculture of individuals who have an interest in anthropomorphic animals, or animals with human-like characteristics. These individuals may express their interest through the creation or appreciation of furry art, literature, and costumes, among other things. The furry community is diverse and may include individuals who identify as furries for different reasons, such as a sense of belonging, artistic expression, or even sexual attraction. While generally harmless, the furry subculture has faced criticism and ridicule from some quarters due to its unconventional interests and practices.